You have to look at your corporate goals. If you have to look at this in the context of how you're managing those teams to have them produce the things that lead up to corporate goals. So if you can't find a link between the metrics that somebody is being measured on down at, the worker level up to some top level corporate goal, then quite possibly they shouldn't be doing whatever it is that they're doing because it's not contributing to the overall corporate goals. You also have to understand your processes and your operations, whether they're manual or automated now. So this is going to mean modeling, probably some data-driven analytical techniques that I mentioned on the previous slide. Now, not surprisingly, I'm in favor of automating everything possible. Doesn't mean you're trying to take people out of the process, but that you're using automation for the routine work where a person isn't going to add value, and let those people work instead on solving problems. This is for internal processes or for customer-facing processes.